Hello everyone. Welcome back to the AVC Labs channel. Today's video is about how to remove noise from photo with just one click. Come to the main interface of AVC AI. You can see Denoise in the left toolbar. Click it, then upload the noisy photos to the program. You will see that the Denoise function has been turned on below the picture. Now just click Start Processing. Just wait for a while, the picture will be processed. Now you can click here to see the processing effect of each image. Drag the vertical bar to see the contrast effect before and after processing. Enlarge the image to examine the details. The noise reduction effect is very obvious, and the skin of the characters becomes smoother. The details are also handled perfectly. If you are satisfied, just click the red button to save it. If you are interested, just search for AVC AI and you can denoise pictures for free. Thanks for watching.